Lila's tips in keeping blood sugar level under control.
Lila, don't be nervous. You can share your experience and help other kids.
I don't think I can do this.
Lila, I think you can practice expressing yourself. What's more, you can use your experience to help others. Besides, you need to face the challenges as a brave boy, right?
I get it. I'll do my best.
Be confident. Everything is fine. If you forget what to say, I'll give you a hint with gestures.
Okay.
Let's welcome our next speaker.
Hi, everyone. I am Lila. Today, I would like to share with you all some knowledge about diabetes, as well as my own experiences of controlling my blood sugar. First, when you're at school,
Hello, everyone. I'm Lila's assistant, Sugar Up. Lila, firstly, how do we prevent unstable blood sugar and monitor blood sugar regularly at school?
Right, at school, if your condition is not a secret, you can monitor blood sugar at any time. When low blood sugar occurs, you can supplement with food immediately. And when your blood sugar is really high, if it's too high, you can contact your parents or the attending doctor.
If you want to keep it private, just the teachers and school doctors/nurses know. What should you do?
You can go to the infirmary or teacher's office to monitor your blood sugar before and after gym class, or when you're hungry. Sugar and insulin should be supplemented in time.
Well, what if nobody knows?
First of all, I think it's a good idea to tell the teachers. That way, you can take gym class safely. If you're really not ready to tell the teachers, then you can let a few close classmates know your condition in advance. Tell them where you put your sugary supplements in case you experience hypoglycemia. If possible, you can use a continuous glucometer to monitor your blood sugar in real time. It's convenient, discreet, and parents can also keep updated. Personally, I think it is no shame to tell others about your condition. Keeping it secret could be dangerous because then no one can help you in case you need it.
So, this is at school. What should you do when you are out of school, Lila?
First, you have to know what to bring. You need to bring enough insulin, needles, your glucometer, and test strips. You also have to keep the insulin cool. Sweets and plenty of water need to be prepared for sudden low blood sugar. Of course, try not to change your schedule too often. Consistently manage your diet and give insulin injections regularly. Speaking of diet management, I used to secretly eat snacks such as lollipops, Coke, spicy chips, and more. My parents were worried after my blood sugar test, only to find it was high. I didn't want to tell the truth because I was afraid to worry my parents. I think there are a lot of kids here like me. Now, I know that was wrong. If you want to eat snacks, I have some suggestions. First, you need to know the amount of carbs for the snacks. Second, check your current blood sugar level to decide if an insulin shot is needed or not. Third, if it's something you haven't eaten before, you can try it a few times to see how much of it will raise your blood sugar. Fourth, you can also exercise to use up the blood sugar converted from food. At last, but not the least, let your parents help you check things out and be honest to each other. It's also good for parent-child relationships. Also, don't tire yourself out. Check your feet to see if your skin is red, swollen, or if you have blisters or broken skin. If you have an ulcer, go to the hospital right away. In conclusion, I hope you all can keep a reasonable diet, eat less unhealthy food, and live on a regular schedule, which will be beneficial to your health. Last, I want to thank my mom and dad. Even though I'm just a kid in your eyes, I've already grown up. Please don't worry, I'll take good care of myself.
Son, you're amazing. I'm so proud of you.
That's my boy.
Mom, Dad, I've made my decision. I want to become a doctor and focus on diabetes research. I'll be even more amazing than Sugar Up and help even more diabetics.
Yay!